Today, I'm taking you through a complete review of Pivotal, a subscription-based car rental service backed by Jaguar Land Rover. I'll show you exactly how the platform works from a user's perspective, starting right from the website interface. It's clean and modern, and the sign-up process is straightforward. You select your car preference, fill out your details, go through a soft credit check, and then await confirmation. Once approved, you get to choose from a selection of premium vehicles, mostly Jaguar and Land Rover models. One notable feature is that insurance, tax, servicing, and maintenance are all included in the monthly fee. That's a huge benefit if you're looking for convenience. Delivery is available across the UK, and in my experience, the car arrived clean and on time. But it's not all perfect. The monthly cost is considerably higher than traditional leasing, especially if you're not driving much. It's a premium service, and the price reflects that. Customer support was polite, but not always quick to respond, especially around peak times or holidays. If you need something resolved urgently, that might be a problem. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing to keep in mind is the mileage limit. While generous for most users, going over it results in hefty fees. So, if you do a lot of driving, you'll need to monitor your usage closely. On the plus side, switching cars every few months is relatively painless, and it adds a sense of variety and excitement to the service. There's also the environmental consideration. With some hybrid and electric options in the fleet, Pivotal is making strides towards sustainability, though not all their offerings are EVs yet. For anyone looking to avoid long-term commitments or ownership hassles, this service is ideal. What stood out most to me was the premium experience. Everything from the booking interface to the actual delivery felt curated and customer-centric. It's not just about renting a car, it's about lifestyle flexibility. That said, this is not a budget option. If you're price sensitive, you might want to compare it with more traditional rentals or car clubs. Still, for those who prioritize comfort, simplicity, and flexibility, Pivotal offers a unique value proposition. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech and service reviews.